Hey guys, so I don't know if you particularly remember, but a few weeks ago, I did this kind of retrospective on why I think the LG Velvet is actually going to be a pretty important phone. Because most of LG's phones over the last few years, especially the flagships, have been really kind of stagnant. The designs are really similar, the UI is not great. And so when LG announced the Velvet, I was actually pretty stoked. And for a couple weeks there, we kind of thought it might only come to Korea, but then they announced potentially a global version. We don't really know yet, but then I got this package in the mail today, and it's one of 15 special packaged LG Velvets. Just for context, this is not sponsored, it just kind of came in the mail. Figured I'd have to do a video on it. So I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing and hands-ons and impressions, and let me know what you guys think about the phone. I'm pretty interested in doing this, so let's get down to it. Okay, so the first thing to notice about this box is that it's made of velvet. Apparently this is one of 15, so this isn't the actual packaging that most LG Velvets are going to come in. This is kind of like a reviewer's guide. Sometimes they send interesting boxes. This is definitely an interesting box. So open it up. There is the reviewer's guide, which we'll definitely use to get the information we need. There's the phone, velvet. And then if we come to the side, there's actually this pull-out tab. Let's see, it's in here. LG Velvet. Okay, good to know. Oh, okay. Cool. So we got some cases. These are really interesting cases. This is definitely supposed to be a very like design-forward phone, so I can kind of see why they have cases like this. I might wreck this leather one. This is kind of cool. We've got bamboo pen because this works with the LG dual screens. They also sent us a dual screen, so that's nice. So let's now take the phone actually out of the box. Kind of rip this open from the side. All right, so I believe the Velvet comes in 4 colors, so that's nice to see right there. Got these, of course, a European/green power brick. Some headphones, that's nice. They seem nice, they're wired. Is there a headphone jack in here? Oh, there's a headphone jack. Okay, so first of all, just like I did in my little like retrospective thing, it's supposed to like look like a water droplet coming down, as you can kind of see from here. So that looks really nice actually. I'm a big fan, and most of these cameras are actually flush with the phone, while this top one is just a little jaunted out, but overall, I mean, it's very tall. I really like that. So we'll boot that on. So again, this is called a reviewer's guide. This is basically just like helping us remember the specs and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so here's all the colors. So you've got black / gray, this white, this green color, and then this is the color I have. It's like a sunset color. Oh, there are a lot of colors. Oh, there's more than just a few. Cool, there's like 6 colors. That's awesome. These are all really nice. This headphone jack, I really like that. 3D arc design. So we've got, yes, 765G, which is good to see. That means it's a built-in 5G phone, which means it can be a little bit cheaper. It doesn't have millimeter wave 5G, but millimeter wave is in such few places right now anyway, it doesn't really matter. Durability, do more at once. Okay, so it comes with a dual screen, as we saw. Works with this bamboo Wacom tablet, which is cool. In here, she's like editing or watching a video and then making notes. I don't know, we'll see how useful the dual screen is. I didn't think it was that useful in the V60, and honestly, I'll probably use this most of the time without the dual screen, but you know, I'm gonna try it for the review, obviously. So we got the 765G, 6.8-inch, 20.5:9 FHD OLED display, 6 gigs of RAM, 120 gigs of storage with micro SD card expansion. 48 megapixel standard camera, 8 megapixel wide, 5 megapixel depth. Interesting, so no telephoto, that's kind of sad to see. Front 16 megapixel standard, 4300 milliamp hour battery, Android 10. Cool. Illusion sunset, or a white, or a gray, or a green, or a silver, new black. That's a weird naming scheme, but you know, whatever. And that's kind of it. So, oh, this is definitely Korean. English, United States. All right, let's see. Personalize your phone. I personally hate the little droplet, so I'm gonna switch to that. And I like nav bar, home screen style, home and app drawer. Definitely home and app drawer. I'm an app drawer type person. Okay. Ooh, okay. I'll do this later. Okay, so the UI looks like it hasn't changed much. Still kind of those very bright colors, very bright icons, but you know, you can throw a Nova on it or something. Stylus pen, tap to learn more. So it's got built-in stuff for the pen, and I assume the dual screen as well, so that'll be a little bit different. But yeah, that should be about it for this phone. All right guys, well thanks for hanging out for this unboxing of the LG Velvet. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I know last time I posted this, was it a couple weeks ago or a couple months ago? I don't know, time is a flowing object at this point. But a lot of people were pretty excited for this phone, and I am too. I'm actually pretty stoked to start using it. So let me know what you think, and I will catch you in the next video.